स्वागताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमन्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृते गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरी हृदय नंदनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Children, childhood is that period of everyone's life which is full of innocence, charm and excitement. In the dim and bustle of our modern life, one really feels like going back to that innocent phase and live that life again. Today's children are tomorrow's wonder creators. Let's celebrate the moment of joy, fantasy and innocence with the next program, that is Chota Bachcha Jankar. Please welcome our dancing stars with a big round of applause. white, everything looks beautiful under your light. When I admire the wonder of a sunset or the beauty of the moon, my soul expands in the worship of the creators. Always, since the childhood, the distant moon has always seen a very near and dear one for the child. Mother introduces us with Chanda Mama, who allures every child with its glaze. Moon also becomes a solace for a child to forget all the worries. And then becomes a special moment. Children always dream to land in this age. Old uncle's doorstep one day and pay a visit. Let's be ready to that flight of delight. Our children are going to transport you to the world of dreams. So be ready. Here comes our shining stars, मेरे अच्छे चंदा मामा.
देखो इन्हें ये होश की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर। और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियों फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई। ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की लहर भी खो न जाएंगे तारे ज़मीं पर। देखो रातों की सीने पे ये तो झिलमिल किसी नाव से उगे हैं, ये तो अंबिया की खुशबू है बागों से बह चले, जैसे कांच में चूड़ी के टुकड़े, जैसे खिले खिले फूलों के मुखड़े, जैसे बंसी कोई बजाए पेड़ों के तले। ये तो झोंके हैं पवन के, है ये घुंघरू जीवन के, ये तो सुर है चमन के, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर।
दिशा निर्देश हेतु कुशल शिल्पी के हाथों होती है। ऐसी ही प्रतिभा की धनी विद्यालय की प्राचार्य श्रीमती प्रतिमा लुहार को वार्षिक प्रतिवेदन के प्रस्तुतिकरण हेतु मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Hidaram Rathia, MLA Raigad, Director of Aryan World School, Mr. H.L. Yadav Sir, members of a Division of Sai Shikshan Samiti, all the invited, most respected guests, dear parents, my dear teacher and students, and all the staff of Aryan World School. We welcome you all for the first anniversary of Aryan World School. Now we are going to start our anniversary. On behalf of our school management, teachers and students, I welcome our chief guest, and love to I especially thanks to him to accept our invitation and love to meet all and make participation here. Aryan World family hold firm unity and equality of human beings. Our school stands for academic excellence, development of skills and character formation based on the love of God and the service of men with a view of training citizens distinguished for their all-round development and sincere commitment to our country and countrymen. Education is a continuous process by which a generation is prepared for the future by providing many opportunities as possible to develop every aspect of personality. Different activities and competitions are organized in our school like handwriting competition, poem recitation, drawing competition, quiz competition, fancy dress competition, and dance competition. These different activities and competitions play an important role in the development of our students. A sound body has a sound mind. So, sports is also a part of our education. We celebrated Sports Day and many students took part in different games. Many students win the races. Our school provides moral education with moral values to the students. This will help them to become a good citizen in future. We are increasing our standard day by day and we are going to be the best and #1 school in the coming year. Each year lays the foundation for ideas in the year to come. The coming year is defining and significant. Our aim will be to continue to improve the quality of the school systems and increase the standards in all aspects our areas of work, and focus in the coming year will be enhancing the sports program, increasing academic competence and performance, continuing to work on teacher-student motivation, student behavior, igniting the joy of learning, enrolling and engaging the parent community widely and actively. The entire team will work toward achieving these goals and we will appreciate the support of all parents on this. I have two key messages to be delivered, one for the adults and one for the students. For dear teachers and parents, it is time for shift equations. The world of classroom and of learning has undergone both visible and invisible changes. While the structure of school with its textbooks and timetable, many have remained untouched. The process of learning, what we learn and how we learn is changing every day. We do not live in those days where teachers talked and talked, students listened, parents never questioned, management believed, everybody worked in lines, the headmaster was happy but never showed it. We live in new realities and emerging trends, knowledge explosion, increase in parental involvement, teacher attribution, government politics and interference, change in society and family structures, digital explosion. With these visible changes, we need to accept certain shifts from an emphasis on providing content to providing skills, from looking the classroom as the only point of learning happens across life spaces. The shifting equation between the relationship between teacher and student, parent